tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for professionals who need high-quality, large-format printing on the go. I'm super excited to dive into the features and benefits of the HP DesignJet T230 24-inch wireless large-format plotter printer, and by the end of this review, you'll know if this is the perfect tool for your business or creative endeavors. First off, let's talk about the 24-inch large-format printing capability of this incredible device. Being able to produce technical drawings, blueprints, posters, and maps up to 24-inch wide, with precise lines and sharp detail, is a total dream come true for CAD, AEC, and GIS professionals. Imagine having the flexibility to print out your designs, plans, or artwork in stunning clarity, right from the comfort of your home office or studio. The level of precision and detail that this printer achieves is truly remarkable, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who needs to create high-quality, large-format prints on a regular basis. Another key feature that really impressed me is the fast, high-quality output of the HP DesignJet T230. This printer can produce A1/D size documents in as fast as 35 seconds, which is incredibly quick for a large-format printer. But what's even more impressive is the print quality, with up to 2400 by 1200 optimized DPI for crisp text and accurate line quality. This means that your prints will look professional, with sharp lines, vibrant colors, and precise details. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, the speed and quality of this printer will definitely boost your productivity and help you meet tight deadlines. Now let's talk about the wireless and mobile connectivity of the HP DesignJet T230. In today's connected world, being able to print from anywhere, at any time, is a total must-have. With built-in Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, Ethernet, and USB, you can easily print from your laptops, smartphones, and tablets using HP Smart or HP Click. This is perfect for professionals who are always on the go, or for those who work in collaborative teams and need to share and print documents quickly. The convenience and flexibility of wireless printing will definitely make your workflow more efficient and streamlined. The compact and space-saving design of the HP DesignJet T230 is another feature that really stands out. As one of the smallest large-format plotters in its class, this printer is designed to fit perfectly in home offices, studios, and small workspaces. This is a huge advantage for professionals who don't have a lot of space to spare, but still need to produce high-quality, large-format prints. The compact design also makes it easy to move around, so you can take it with you to client meetings or to different project sites. In addition to these amazing features, the HP DesignJet T230 also supports sheet and roll media, with seamless switching between sheets and rolls up to 24 inches wide, and an automatic cutter for a professional, efficient workflow. This is perfect for professionals who need to print a variety of document types, from technical drawings to posters and banners. The automatic cutter also saves you time and effort by automatically cutting your prints to the exact size you need. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T230 24-inch wireless large-format plotter printer is an incredible tool for professionals who need high-quality, large-format printing on the go. With its 24-inch large-format printing, fast, high-quality output, wireless and mobile connectivity, compact and space-saving design, and sheet and roll media support, this printer is the perfect solution for CAD, AEC, and GIS professionals. If you're looking to take your business or creative endeavors to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the HP DesignJet T230. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing printer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials, and I'll catch you